What you're looking at here is a layer of 5/8 of an inch thick drywall, and it should be a Type X fire rated drywall. And the reason for that is to provide us with a 1 hour fire protection barrier up against any building. So this is actually in the garage. The garage doesn't need to be protected. However, the living area does. So the wall that separates the living area from the garage needs a 1 hour fire rating, and that's actually the reason why this drywall is on top of the plywood. As you can see here, the arrow moved down, so we have a 5/8 of an inch thick layer of drywall on top of what looks like at least a 5/8 of an inch thick, possibly a 3/4 of an inch thick piece of particle board. It's hard to tell because this platform suffered some water damage. I've seen 3/4 inch particle board swell up to an inch, and of course it realistically, once it gets that bad, it is realistically no longer structurally functionable. I've actually took a hammer and just poked it right through it. It becomes brittle and easy to break over time. However, this isn't the reason why I'm making the video. I wanted to provide you with another method for building the platform and kind of eliminating the drywall. Again, I'm just not 100% happy with drywall on top of a water heater platform. For one reason, I've seen the water heater sink into the drywall. If the drywall gets wet, and the way you have a large water heater, it will definitely sink into the drywall. And again, does that create a problem? I don't know. Once the water heater is on the ground and water is spilling all over the place, obviously you would have a problem. Would this method work better? I'm not 100% sold on that and cannot provide you with any guarantees. And again, you would need to verify this type of building method with your building department anyway. I'm only basing this off of the fact that an 1.5 inch thick surface of wood, plywood OSB, will provide you with a 1 hour burn through. And again, so that would give you your 1 hour fire rating. And the reason why I put an additional layer on is, what the heck, just in case this 1.5 inch or 3 layers of 1/2 inch OSB wouldn't have provided you with a 1 inch fire rating, then realistically 4 layers of it probably would have for sure. So again, it's just another thought. I figured I'd throw this out there. And as always, do what you want with it. Hey, you know what? If it makes sense, do it. If it doesn't, then don't, huh? It isn't uncommon to be on a job where you got scrap pieces of plywood all over the place, and you can cut a few up and stack them up here and provide yourself with, or the future homeowner, with a nice sturdy water heater platform. And again, you do it like this and someone throws a sheet of drywall on it, whatever, just going to give you a little more added protection. So again, hope these videos help. If they do, let me know by throwing a few thumbs ups my way, and comments are always appreciated, whether they are positive or negative. If they are going to be negative, feel free to leave them on other people's websites, huh? Okay, what the heck?